Welcome, everyone! Whether you're new here or a returning viewer, we're thrilled to have you join us on this journey into the fascinating world of storytelling. Today, we're diving into a topic that's sparking debates, inspiring creativity, and shaping the future: AI vs human, the future of storytelling. We'll explore how artificial intelligence is transforming the way stories are told, how it compares to human creativity, and what this means for the future of narratives in books, movies, games, and beyond. So, grab a seat, and let's get started. Storytelling has always been a deeply human endeavor. From ancient cave paintings to epic poems, humans have used stories to connect, inspire, and make sense of the world. But now, artificial intelligence is stepping into the spotlight, offering new tools and possibilities for crafting narratives. AI can generate stories in seconds, create characters, and even write poetry. But does that mean it can replace human storytellers? Let's break it down. First, let's look at what AI brings to the table. AI-powered tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and others can analyze vast amounts of data, learn patterns, and generate coherent narratives. They can even mimic the style of famous authors or create entirely new genres. For example, AI can write a sci-fi story in the style of Isaac Asimov or generate a fantasy world with unique creatures and lore. It's fast, efficient, and constantly improving. But is it truly creative? On the other hand, human storytelling is driven by emotion, experience, and imagination. Humans draw from personal struggles, cultural heritage, and the complexities of life to create stories that resonate on a deep, emotional level. Think about your favorite book or movie. What made it unforgettable? Chances are, it wasn't just the plot, it was the way it made you feel. That's the magic of human storytelling. AI-generated stories are often impressive in their technical execution. They can follow logical structures, create vivid descriptions, and even surprise us with unexpected twists. However, they sometimes lack the depth, nuance, and emotional resonance that human stories naturally possess. Humans, on the other hand, can infuse stories with subtle themes, moral dilemmas, and authentic emotions. But they're also limited by time, energy, and creative blocks. The question isn't necessarily about which is better, it's about how they can complement each other. And that's where the future lies: collaboration. Imagine a world where AI handles the heavy lifting, generating ideas, drafting scenes, or creating visuals, while humans focus on refining, adding emotional depth, and infusing stories with their unique voice. Already, we're seeing this in action. Writers use AI to overcome writer's block, filmmakers use AI for stunning visual effects, and game developers use AI to create immersive worlds. The possibilities are endless.
But as we move forward, there are important questions to consider. How do we ensure that AI enhances creativity rather than replaces it? How do we preserve the authenticity and diversity of human stories in an AI-driven world? These are challenges we'll need to address as we navigate this new frontier. But one thing is clear: storytelling will always be a powerful way to connect, inspire, and imagine new possibilities. So, what does the future of storytelling look like? It's not about AI vs human, it's about AI and human. Together, they can push the boundaries of creativity, opening up new worlds and perspectives for audiences everywhere. Whether you're a writer, a reader, or simply a lover of stories, this is an exciting time to be part of the narrative. The future of storytelling is here, and it's waiting for you to shape it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more explorations into the future of creativity. And tell us in the comments, what role do you think AI will play in storytelling? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, keep imagining, keep creating, and keep telling your story. See you soon.